Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing the full Christmas tree stroll at Disney Springs, from map pickup all the way to the reward. Each tree has its own theme and you'll see the signs so you can follow along and plan your own stroll. If you love Christmas lights and Disney holiday vibes, hit the like now and watch to the end to see the reward we earn.
Lines are busting out the door, Christmas songs in every store. Can't stand to hear one more, please won't you make it stop. Snow is piled 5 feet high, dog ate the pecan pie. Hurry up, store-bought is mine, Christmas time again.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. Not only green when summer's here, but in the coldest time of year. Oh Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. ¡Ajá! Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad.
Santa, tell me when you'll show yourself to me. Help me find who my baby will be. Santa, tell me when you'll show yourself to me.
First flake of snow is said to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way. And for every single child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today.
Navidad, Navidad, hoy es Navidad. Es un día de alegría y felicidad. Navidad, Navidad, hoy es Navidad. Es un día de alegría y felicidad.
Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure you do give me. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure you do give me.
Grab your coat, it's getting cold. Just look at the falling snow. This season's greetings, happy meetings. Oh, and a little bit of mistletoe. They're decorating the Christmas tree with a star up top for you and me. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time.
He's got the red Santa suit with the gift bag to match. Jet black shades with the hair slicked back. He don't need no reindeer and he don't need a sleigh to visit all the little boys and girls in a day. Cruising around the world and you know it's a fact that Santa's coming to town in a pink Cadillac.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time, smile my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over, we'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.
Gaily they ring while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. Merry, 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 merry Christmas. On they send on without end their joyful tone to every home. Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Ding, 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 dong, ding, 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 dong.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland.
We've made it to the end of the Christmas tree stroll, and here's our reward ornament. Totally worth the walk. If you enjoyed coming along, please like the video, comment your favorite tree theme, and subscribe for more Christmas time fun. See you on the next holiday adventure. If you like this video, check out these next. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. Drop a comment below and tell us what you'd love to see us post in the future.